Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the replacement of double seals in a standard TRA 20 circumferential piston pump, part of Viking Pump's Hygienic line, using our service kit with genuine Viking Pump spare parts. As always, read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure all maintenance steps are completed. All required seal replacement parts can be found in Viking Pump's Seal Face Kit and Elastomer Kit. First, remove and discard the inner seals from the pump body, as well as their corresponding O-ring and wave spring. Next, remove and discard the outer seals from the pump body, as well as their corresponding O-ring and wave spring. Next, remove and discard the seal seats from the shafts. Discard the shaft O-rings. For installation of new double seals, first lubricate the shaft O-rings with the lubricant included in the seal kit or another compatible lubricant, and fit them into the groove over the shaft. Next, slide the seal seat over the shaft to position it against the shaft shoulder by aligning the drive flats on the rear face with the drive flats on the shaft. Lightly lubricate the O-ring of the inner seal and fit it into the groove on the seal. Fit the wave spring onto the inner seal and press it into the bore of the pump body to align the notches with the stop pins. Do this for each inner seal. Next, lubricate the O-ring of the outer seal and fit it onto the seal. Then insert the outer wave spring into the bore of the pump body. Insert the outer seal assembly into the bore of the pump body to align the notches with the pins. Do this for each seal. Your Viking TRA 20 pump now has new double seals and is ready for reassembly. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.